Meet the Chiwengas, the leaders that lead with integrity and put people first, by Isaac Makomich. Salapena mashkwanta kana Makomich panguwa ino aiwa achivachipraiza the Chiwenga family. Vari kuonekwa panguwa ino Chiwenga aiwa ari kubuda ari iconic his family. Panguwa ino achionekwa kunzi kwese kwese kwaanoenda see his wife Minnie Baloyi. And panguwa ino tinyazokuona kuti Chiwenga panguwa ino ari kunyatsokuita zvinodiwa nevagari venyika yeZimbabwe. Ndozviri kuita kuti afarirwe nevanhu. Salapena mashkwambira nyuko panguwa ino about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Makomich anoitambira chiti as Zimbabwe looks to the future, one couple stands out: Chiwenga, the anti-corruption crusader, and his wife, a powerhouse in her own right. Together, they are a force to be reckoned with. Chiwenga is the perfect candidate to become the next president when President Mnangagwa's term ends. He is vocal about holding those in power accountable, promoting equal opportunities, and upholding dignity. His track record shows a commitment to transparency and hard work. His wife, the power behind, a respected businesswoman without any corruption allegations, a true Christian and a philanthropist. She champions women's empowerment, education, and community development. A business acumen would be a valuable asset in governance. The Chiwengas, a winning team, shared values of integrity and hard work, complementary skills for effective leadership, united front for Zimbabwe's progress, respect for the Constitution of Zimbabwe. With their combined strength, the Chiwengas could bring real change to Zimbabwe. Tuma developments mashkwanda kana Makomich message yanopasa the Chiwenga family. Pena comment section medu dzafunga emote kudi pamusoro pemashoko ake. Pena comment section medu subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.